Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Brother, my first question. How many surah in Holy Quran? Answer. There are total 114 surah in Holy Quran. Brother, my second question. How many verses in Holy Quran? Answer. There are some 6,666 ayah in Holy Quran. Brother, my third question. How many letters in Holy Quran? Answer. There are total letters 3,23,671 in Holy Quran. Brother, my fourth question. How many parts of Holy Quran? Answer. There are 30 parts of Holy Quran. Brother, my fifth question. Which is the longest surah of Holy Quran? Answer. Surah Al-Baqarah, longest surah of Holy Quran.